Hi, Kwezi. These are your spelling words for the week. Word number 1 is into. Into. I bumped into the wall and got a headache. Number 2 is just. Just, as in, I just got home 5 minutes ago. Number 3 is tool. We use a tool to fix a broken what do we use? Maybe we use a tool to fix a flat tire. Okay. Number 4 is tooth. If you lose a tooth, you might get some money from the tooth fairy. Number 1 is foot. You put your left shoe on your left foot. Okay. Number 6 is roof. A roof you will see at the top of the house. You will have a roof. Number 7 is moon. We see the moon when it is night time. Number 8 is spoon. A baby cannot eat with a very big spoon. Number 9 is took. Took. This is the past tense for the word take. I take my pencil now, but I took my pencil yesterday. Number 10 is look. I look with my eyes. Number 11 is book. I read a book. Number 12 is shook. The principal shook my hand today. Number 13 is cook. If you are too young to use the stove by yourself, you have to ask an adult to cook for you. Number 14 is cool. When the room is very hot, we switch on the fan to get some cool air. And number 15 is school. School is where we go to learn. So let's go into each word. We're going to make the sounds and then we're going to spell each word. So the sounds in word number 1, you will see that word number 1 has got 2 words in it. So this is a word by itself, to. This is a word by itself, in. So when we put the words together, into, the word we get is into. I bumped into the wall. So the sounds are in, to, and the word is into, and the spelling is INTO, 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 into. I bumped into the wall. Let's write it down in the second column. INTO, into. Number 2, the sounds. J, a, st, just. J, a, st, just. I just arrived 5 minutes ago. And how do we spell just? J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, just. Let's write it down in the second column. J-U-S-T, just. Number 3, T-U-L, tool. My father asked me to fetch a tool from his toolbox. T-U-L, tool. And the spelling, T-O-O-L, tool. So you will notice most of your words will have the double O today, and we know that the double O sounds like oo. T-U-L, tool. T-O-O-L, tool. T-O-O-L, tool. T-O-O-L, tool. T-O-O-L, tool. T-O-O-L, tool. T-U-Th, tooth. Tooth, tooth. Tooth, tooth. Tooth, tooth. Tooth, tooth. Tooth, tooth. I hope I get some money from the tooth fairy. Tooth, tooth. Foot, foot. Foot, foot. Foot, foot. Foot, foot. Foot, foot. Foot, foot. I wear my left shoe on my left foot. Foot, foot. Roof, roof. Roof, roof. Roof, roof. Roof, roof. There is a red roof at the top of the house. R-O-O-F, roof. The roof of my house is red. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. We see the moon at night. M-O-O-N, moon. Spoon, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. A baby does not eat with a spoon because a spoon is too big for the baby. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. So a baby might eat with a teaspoon, but not a very big spoon. T-U-K, took. T-U-K, took. T-O-O-K, took. Who took my money? Took. T-O-O-K, took. Who took my money? L-O-O-K, look. L-O-O-K, look. L-O-O-K, look. L-O-O-K, look. L-O-O-K, look. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. I look with my eyes and I read a book with my eyes. Okay, that's on the wrong line, but okay. Sounds. Sh-U-K, shook. Sh-U-K, shook. S-H-O-O-K, shook. S-H-O-O-K, shook. S-H-O-O-K, shook. The principal shook my hand. K-U-K, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. I'm going to ask mommy to cook some soup. C-O-O-K, cook. Cool, cool. C-O-O-L, cool. Switch on the fan to get some cool air. C-O-O-L, cool. S-K-U-L, school. SC